With just a few simple steps, you can make crispy chicken legs in your air fryer. The skin is irresistible, golden and crunchy. Hello lovelies, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make air fryer chicken legs. Start by patting dry your chicken legs with some paper towels. After that, drizzle the chicken pieces with some olive oil. The oil allows the seasoning that you'll be adding to stick to the flesh nicely. Go ahead and season your chicken legs with some brown sugar, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, and red chili. Mix this well and make sure it is nicely combined. Also, don't forget to add in some salt to taste. Next, cover the chicken pieces with a plastic wrap and allow them to marinate for just 30 minutes. This resting time allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. When you're ready to cook them, preheat your air fryer first at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Place your marinated chicken legs into its basket and make sure they are not overlapping each other. You want them all to get heated at the same time. Go ahead and air fry your chicken legs for 10 minutes. You can flip them halfway and cook for another 10 minutes. Just look at this is getting brown already. So let's cook these for an extra 10 minutes until they are no longer pink and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Just so that you know, you can give your chicken legs an additional time if you want them to come out really crispy. And here it is, your air fryer chicken legs are ready. You can transfer them to a serving dish and pair them with your favorite sauce. And just before serving, you can garnish with some chopped parsley. This is how to make some mouth-watering chicken legs in air fryer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.